Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to descale and deep clean your coffee maker.
The coffee machine needs to be descaled when the descale light on the control panel flashes. You have to turn the appliance on and wait until it is ready for use.
But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
First, empty the water tank and remove the softener filter.
I will get up again. Stronger than
I'm using this Bio coffee machine descaler, but you can use what coffee machine descaler you have on hand. Pour 100 milliliters into the tank. I have a level A sign marked on the back of the tank, but you may not, it depends of the brand. Then add 1 liter of water or up to level B.
trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong. Hoping I'll be fine.
Place an empty container with a minimum capacity of 1.5 liters under the cappuccino maker and coffee spouts. Then press the descale button and hold it down for at least 5 seconds to confirm the beginning of the descaling procedure. The light in the button will remain steadily to indicate that the descaling program has begun. The steam light flashes and you have to turn the steam dial anti-clockwise to the 1 position. The descaler solution flows out of the cappuccino maker and coffee spouts into the underlying container. Now all you have to do is wait about 30 minutes, during which time the descale program automatically performs a series of rinses and pauses to remove the line scale. When the steam light flashes and the water tank is empty, turn the steel dial clockwise to the 0 position. Now the coffee machine is ready for rinsing through with clean water. Empty the container used to collect the descaler solution and put it back empty. Remove the water tank, empty, rinse, fill it up and replace.
For someone who can really turn me on. Then I met you. Now I'm down to earth, that's salt and clean.
The steam light flashes, so you turn the steam dial again to the 1 position for the rinse. When the water tank is empty again, steam light flashes, turn the dial to the 0 position. Empty the container and put it back, rinse the water tank, put back the softener filter and fill with water for the last rinse.
Why does love always have to be this hard? It's got me feeling like looking for someone who can really turn me on. Then I met you. Now I'm down to earth, it's salt and clean next to you. All my problems disappear, waiting for you.
The steam light flashes, turn the dial again to the 1 position and wait for the rinse. When the water tank is empty again, turn the dial to the 0 position and the descale light goes off. The descaling program is finished. You can fill the water tank again and the machine is ready for use. But now I will deep clean it. I removed the drip tray, the condensate tray, the grounds container, empty them, rinse, spray with a degreaser and let them sit for a few minutes.
All my problems disappear. dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we
Then I will wash them with dish soap and warm water, let them air dry and replace them.
'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on, just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
I love this coffee machine because I like coffee made with freshly ground coffee beans. Then I add agave syrup and coconut and almond milk that has a tropically nutty taste. I love coffee. Let me know in the comments below if you like coffee and how you drink it.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
I will clean the exterior of the machine with a glass cleaner, then buff it dry, then I will also clean under the coffee machine.
No, I'm not innocent. You deserve a better man. Let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and them. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. 'Cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and them. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. 'Cause we're still sleeping in my head. There's a new part of me, a part I want you to see. You haven't seen the best of me, I know. You can try to fool yourself, like you love somebody else, but you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we know.
Another thing I do every time I clean it is to fill the coffee beans container.
Sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. 'Cause we're still sleeping in my head.
The last thing I have to do is clean the infuser. It has to be cleaned at least once a month, but I will tell you the truth, I never clean it once a month. Make sure the machine is turned off. Remove the water tank. Open the infuser door. Press the two release buttons and in the same time pull the infuser out. Soak it in warm water for 5 minutes.
How could we know that it was so wrong? We've been out of love, yeah, for so long. Yeah, how could we know when it was all done? Yeah, now here we are and we are long gone. Live fast and die young. Tell me.
In the meantime, clean coffee residues inside with a soft brush and a damp cloth.
Do it again one more time. Do it again one more time. The candy eyes and all the dreams. You told me twice that you're the only pretty girl for me so long ago when we were free. Yeah, for a while we were harder than a wooden beam. How could we know that it was so wrong? We've been out of love, yeah, for so long. Yeah, how could we know when it was all done? Yeah, now here we are and we are long gone. Live fast and die young.
Clean the infuser softly with a brush and rinse it, then let it air dry.
Tell me, could we do it again one more time? Do it again one more time. Could we do it again one more time? Do it again one more time. Live fast, die young. Tell me, do you wanna rewind for a while? Hot air, red flames. Tell me, could we do it again one more time? Do it again one more
Replacing by pushing the push symbol until it clicks into place. Close the infuser door. Replace the water tank. Turn on the machine and it's ready to use, nice and clean.
ready to go. See it clear when the shadows are lit. I'm ready to go.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And see you in my next video. Bye!